Hello, James Aldridge here from the Fleet Safety Academy with a Fleet Risk Management Nugget for you. Health and safety managers, insurance managers and fleet managers formed the audience of a webinar I recently hosted. I asked about their motivations for being on the webinar. I got 3 answers. Legal compliance, I suspect that was the health and safety managers. Improved operational efficiency, I bet that was the fleet managers. And reducing insurance costs, that had to be the insurance managers. But the 4th motivation option I gave in the poll didn't receive any votes. It was employee well-being. But when you think about it, reduced claims costs come from preventing collisions, and improved operational efficiency comes with keeping vehicles out of repair workshops. And so again, it depends on preventing collisions. What causes vehicle collisions? Well, the statistics tell us that it's issues such as driver fatigue, driver distraction, inappropriate speed, and so on. I'm arguing that these are employee well-being issues. So if you tackle these issues, you'll be preventing the vehicle collisions. If you're managing these well-being issues effectively, and you can demonstrate that fact, you'll also work towards legal compliance. So the aim of the health and safety managers is covered too. It looks like all 3 roles would have achieved their objectives by working towards the issue that no one on the webinar was motivated by. I'm suggesting that a change in how employers support staff to manage themselves in terms of well-being and lifestyle, coupled with a change in how managers communicate with drivers so they understand what's making them tick, would result in fewer vehicle collisions and therefore give more efficiency, less cost and legal compliance. If you would like to talk about how you can introduce these ideas into your organisation, please get in touch at james@fleetsafetyacademy.co.uk. You'll also find plenty more content on my Fleet Safety Academy YouTube channel. Thank you.